Hello, how's it going? As you can see by the thumbnail, today we are going to try to highlight and contour the face. Now, I've been watching makeup YouTube videos for quite a few years now, and I feel like I kind of know what I'm doing, but I've never really tried this before. So this could be hysterical, and I wanted to try it on camera. So we'll see how this goes. Yeah, I'm really nervous because I don't really know what I'm doing. So yeah, so we'll just go ahead and jump right in. So I got the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealers to do this. These were on sale and I was like, I'm never gonna use these again. I actually, story time, this is the first concealer that I ever tried. Like the first real makeup product that I ever tried was this product. It wasn't these shades. I tried to get the two contrasting shades to highlight and contour, like that's the whole point of it, right? But anyway, this is the concealer that I tried first off, and I really liked it until I started trying other stuff, and I was like, I don't really know. But this is like really affordable. I think it's like $7, and it was on sale at Ulta, at my Ulta, for like $2.50. So I was like, yeah, I'm trying to do this video. Let's go ahead and pick these up. So I got shades, let's see, I got shade C2. This is C2, which is the lighter shade. I don't know if this is gonna be way too light. We'll find out together. And then C13.5, this is the darker shade. I guess let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So, okay, so we're gonna dot, I think I'm only going to do half the face. And as you can see, my skin is struggling right now. I have a lot of pimples, so this is probably an amazing idea to be putting really heavy products on my face, but we're gonna go ahead and do it for the YouTube, for you guys, for the laughter, okay? So, okay, I think I'm gonna dot this on my face. I think I'm gonna start with the lighter shade. This is gonna be so interesting. So it's got a doe foot applicator. I'll kind of do a little bit of a review on this concealer as well. It smells like paint thinner. Okay, so I think that we highlight under the eyes, like everywhere that the light touches is what I think I remember. So everything, so we want to do under the eyes, the bridge of the nose, like on the forehead, and then we want to contour here underneath the what is this called? The cheekbone. And then contour down here a little bit. So I think that my beard is gonna act, I should have shaved for this. I hate my shaved face though, that's a fun fact. But my beard's gonna act kind of like my contour, I think, so I don't really know. But okay, let's start with the highlighting portion. I'm gonna shut up. So I'm gonna try to do it really light so that it's not like a too cakey and heavy, and like actually give this like a real go and see if I can like make this look good. So we're just gonna do a couple of dots under the eye, and then maybe we'll do like a couple dots on the nose, and then we'll do just a little bit on this side, and then we're gonna contour up here. We're gonna contour down here. So maybe I need another little dip. Okay. And then I don't really know where to go from here. So we're gonna contour here. Let's leave it like this for now, and we'll do the dark shade, and then we'll go back in with the light if we need to. Okay, so, and I'm really trying not to do too much here. So we're gonna do our darker shade, and then, so we wanna do this on the forehead, and then we want to do more of my cheekbones. So I think we wanna do it right here, and then maybe another little dunk. And then we wanna do it on the jawline. Oh, yeah, do we want to contour the nose? Okay, so let's do contour the nose a little bit. So we'll do just like a few dabs on the side and in the front. Okay, I think that's where we're gonna start. I'm going to use the brush that I use for my concealer, which is the G36. It's just a dense synthetic brush. So let's just start blending this out. I'm gonna try to do the light first so that it doesn't mix too much with the dark. And from what I know is you just want to kind of press it into the skin. You don't want to be like rubbing and moving it around. So I'm just going to try to press. So let's just see how this goes. there, or somewhat there. I'm trying really hard. I don't know how this went. I think my lighter shade is way too light. But I feel like the darker shade gave like a little bit of dimension. I don't know. Here, let me show you guys and see what you think. So here's the undone side, and then here's the done side. So like if I split it down the middle, like, I feel like it did give me some like shape to my face, right? I feel like I didn't do that bad of a job, right? I really tried to blend it, and then, like, I guess the idea is to like do your shadow like right here on the jawline. So I tried to keep it right on the jaw to like keep a shadow. Like, can you tell? Like, does my jaw look more snatched over here than over here? I don't know. I think I did an okay job. I don't know. Did all the colors just like blend together? Or did it give me some dimension? Here, let me back up a little bit. Maybe you can see a little better. I don't know. I kind of like it. I think I did a good job. I feel like my skin on this side like looks pretty good on camera, but then I look in the mirror and I'm like, ooh, this is heavy. I mean, this is concealer that I'm putting on my face. It's not like foundation. Like, it looks a little heavy, but I feel like it looks good. Like, my under eye looks like it's covering up my bags. Like, I don't know. Leave your comments below and let me know your thoughts. Like, did I just like completely do this wrong? I'd like to hear your feedback. Like, did all the colors just blend together? Did I not blend it correctly? Did I not get the right shades? Like, what? Give me your feedback on this. I think I did a pretty good job. I think it looks pretty good. I think it gave a little bit of dimension to the face. And like, I wouldn't wear this out in public, I don't think. Like, if I was, I don't know, maybe I would. I don't know. I kind of like the way it looks, honestly. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me, watching me make a fool of myself. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. I do a lot of reviews. I just thought I'd throw in like a funny video and mix it up a little bit. So, and let me know in the comments below like what other kind of like weird videos you want me to film as well, because I need ideas. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. If you need real estate help in Colorado, I'm your man. I'm a full-time real estate agent. All my contact information is down below. I would love to help you out. Thank you so much for joining me on this one, and I will check you on the next one. Bye.